See, the trail's right there. That's the trail we got to get to. I came through here just where those rocks are, and then it was only as narrow as those trees on the other side, and we found some logs and we put them across and went across. But I know Kelsey has rubber boots on. She can do it.
So I have to cross everyone, carry everyone across.
It's funny how it's different all the time, because I think I came through here with Kelsey and Nathan probably the same time of year 2 winters ago, or was it last winter? But this was all frozen same time last year.
Crazy. As long as you get to that log, then you can walk on it. You're kind of like holding a valve on the water, right? All we need is something there.
We can get some logs going, we can make it across. What's that one right there?
I expect you to fall off, and it's probably there if you don't come in. Okay. I only rode bike, and so this is all really new to me, and I'm mostly terrified through the whole thing. Oh, cool. Well, my bike's a treat to learn on, because you don't have to do anything.
Ride right over to that little one.
We gotta get to that. That's the trail right over there. So what are you saying? Like that?
I think Antoine thought we were gonna go to there, to here, to there.
Well, yeah, we can go up the easiest way to, as long as we get to the other side. Oh, she got her rubber booties. We're making a bridge.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like with your bike and then use your feet.
Oh, look at that. We just need one more over there and
What about you? Can you be responsible for your well-being?
I think she's fine. Shake it up a bit, make sure it's stable.
Here, can we use your stick?
Yeah.
No, I won't take your stick away from you and use it as a bridge. It's all been used. Do you think we can get this one free here? It's pretty frozen. They had all of us. Holy shit, it's frozen.
Let's see. Let me see if I can take it over there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be. Yeah.
Well, because all this soil.
All the soil's attached to it. Oh, there we go. Perfect.
That's the side. Of course, the water's running really fast here. What's that? Okay, I gotta get this on video. Just be careful because the current starts pushing your bike.
Yeah, put your bike far and put a lot of pressure on it. See, like, that's what you don't want to do. Don't lift it, roll it, because otherwise it's going to go.
At least your bike is only 20 something pounds when it comes time to lift it.
Yeah.
This is awesome. Some of my best YouTube footage ever.
This is fun.
Got it. Okay. Oh, careful for the dog. Awesome. Yeah, you can stand on those sticks there. It holds you up. Perfect. That. It's good. Now this is fat biking. 45 North has nothing on this.
Trails. Oh.
Not helping anyway. Well, I guess I don't want to get my bike to go in.
Oh, watch out, here comes a big stick. Careful guys, the dog has a massive stick. Okay, pass it up here.
Oh, thanks, Nathan.
You got it? Good.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, yeah, you did it. That was awesome. It was easier getting across than it looked, eh?
Yeah.
The only tricky part is that current. And like Marco said, my bike weighs like 24 pounds, sometimes. No, around 27. So it's like super easy to get out.
Okay.
Over this way.